Welcome to the episode number 29 of QnA series with Suresh GP. Today we are going to talk about another important topic on the deployment strategy called rolling upgrade or rolling deployment strategy. Now, what is rolling deployments? Rolling deployments follow a staggered delivery pattern that gradually replaces instances of the existing environment with updated versions. Meanwhile, your blue-green deployments involve creating a rigorous tested second environment before completely shifting the current instance to the new environment. Now, one of the advantages of rolling deployments is because the updates are applied in segments, they prevent noticeable performance that hits users of an application. Now, what happens in a rolling deployment? A rolling deployment might include a testing phase wherein the load balancer directs only a limited or test traffic while the new software is configured and proven. So this way, it does not affect the experience of users who are still accessing the application on remaining servers that are not yet upgraded. After the software is tested successfully, the server returns to service and another server node is taken offline. To repeat the process, continuing until all the server nodes in the cluster are updated and running the desired application software version. The overall application has been continuously available throughout the rolling deployment. Now, one of the important concerns for a rolling deployment is to ensure backward compatibility across the stack. Some nodes might be running newer versions and others are still running old versions during a rolling deployment. The organization must ensure that the older version of web or application components work with the new database schema or vice versa. So, in that way, the rolling upgrade is one of the most powerful strategies that many companies are using it. And this is one of the default option when we consider on Kubernetes, because this helps to replace the pods on runtime when something goes down. So that way, we will be able to manage the expected workloads on runtime and deploy the software version successfully. I hope with this you have a very good understanding about the rolling upgrade strategy, their benefits, and also some of the key concerns that we need to keep in mind before we adopt this strategy of rolling upgrade or rolling deployment in your environments. I hope that this edition of Q&A was useful. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode of Q&A series. Until then, stay safe and take care. Thank you very much.